Alright, so mu UG hip hop tuli mu civil war right now. Elanga Pryce Teeba, Captain Uganda yakunganyiza amajege, of course ne bakola Cypher. Cypher ne bagita doesn't deep Cypher okitegeera. So right now tugenda batugiraba biche byayogedwa na buli kimwe ekyagenze maso kweno Cypher. Elanga no Cypher ya Pryce Teeba, Captain Uganda yakunganyiza amajege. By the way n'abatakimanyi, this is tuli mu civil war right now mu UG hip hop. Elanga abali ku side eya Jeneo jebali and then nabali ku side endala nayo jebali. So basically aba rapper bamu ba feeling anti they were left out okitegeera ku share happening elugogo eya yenza hip hop. So Pryce Teeba and then neba rapper benjawulo be yakunganyiza bageze ne bakola Cypher eno. Elanga Cypher eno heliko ba rapper boy bonabona WhatsApp to inago bonabona. Actually respect to everyone alikweno Cypher. That's a fact right there. So but rapper bali kweno Cypher langa Cypher bajita doesn't deep Cypher. You dig? So atugenda batugiraba of course. And yeah, let me just stop yapping and let's get into this. So this is Pryce Teeba, new Cypher. Let's get it.
I am hip hop. Now I ain't want to get things mixed up, but if you talk
by the way, chenela video bagamba in mu intro. So bagikoledde ddala nga bakozesa beat eyabadde mu eyali mu kuyenza hip hop okitegeera. So beat eyali kuyenza hip hop Cypher eno kwetudde. So tugenda batuulira ba rapper benjawulo no opinions zaabwe ku kye kyagenda maaso oba ekya happening ku UG Cypher bakyogerako batya anyway. So let's get it.
I am hip hop. Now I ain't want to get things mixed up, but if you talk a lot of ish, then you gon' get fixed up.
Yep.
Light touch, got your face screwed up, but they can say much more, cutting all the dudes up. Plenty movement in the city lately, gotta watch your back, things are getting silly, baby. Can we push it to the max, to the limit, crazy? Thought you had the game, but you just a gimmick, baby.
Thought you got a game, but it's gimmick, baby. Okay.
And one time for the city, Pyongyang, put your hands in the air if you got it going on.
Yep.
I've been chilling with the mayor, boy, he got me in the zone. Talking about the rap game, how we got it going on. And ain't no resurrection necessary. There's too many legends here for us to move too desperately.
Yep.
Just put that on the marquee, cause we left them in the dust, G. Set it off like car keys.
Young pain, B, Eddie Mumada Inc. Pryce Teeba Nabagamba, Ndeka Mada Scene.
Yo.
Stage of my studio, when Syndicate pin. Father figure, Mweno rap, Gendo was a mama wo. Look at flow, sister wo, on Vitam call. Zemukuba ko, Emisana Nature. Chikira Njinda, Chikambie, Bifa Jagala, Totuko, Fila Chitante. Ewange rap plan A, Oliku plan B. Simba wo, Akatia Chitwa Ula Ruwanyi. Kola Chimu, Uliriza Kalimagezi ya Kugamba rap simu zanyo. Vaku rock paper scissor. Fiza, Toreta Gamu rap Ngankubusa Bedi.
Vaku rock paper scissor. Vaku rock paper scissor. Scissor, Toreta gachi.
Wakudanyo, Vaku rock paper scissor. Fiza, Toreta Galimagezi ya Kugamba rap simu zanyo. Vaku rock paper scissor.
Yep.
Fiza, Toreta Gamu rap Ngankubusa Bedi Waguru. Choli no kola kulingiza.
Okay.
Ngabi wuliriza, wenyindo wunyiriza. Wanu wadi simu, wemba ujikuunyira.
You better set me in. I'm talking to the industry, so let me in.
Wano woli si uwo wemba ojikuwunyira.
Mba ujikuunyira. Ngabi wuliriza, wenyindo wunyiriza. Wanu wadi simu, wemba ujikuunyira.
You better set me in.
Son
I'm
of a
talking
border.
to the industry, so let me in. The time we need Timo hip hop, we went from Benny in.
Yeah.
Many sins, Umpolo Dano, who's the next of kin. Dwe Chala Rio Adekmo, you will call me king. Call me king, one of one, I know I'm chosen. But heavy is a crown, so my heart became frozen. Anxiety, fighting me, so I'm fighting sobriety. Dano time when Nipanga your lip, not entirely. Had to switch up on my flows. I really had to get my life together. I really had to let go of these hoes. But I love it, God knows. I let go Bolu Bao, Timakija, cause I know that I'd be wrong. Yeah, I know that I'd be wrong. So I turned it to a song. And my name's son of a border, not the border that you know. Pelona Latin, Ati Latin, Paladit. I repeat to Papsi, cause all I have I got from him.
Okay.
King.
kengere vuze bale yerude neye budde Cypher mbaga Teeba mugole ndi muyite it's busy times Mike mungalo mba kudute fe mu byakabandole sibwe njagala mundabe okuwe ekitiibwa kola bichifana necho atokuwe ekiti aba medical wa stress zo stay silent in a room full of liars the overseer life alone is a science of the living and none so we school the dumb ngatuba kakasa the most high is the only one check me check 1 2 and your homies too bali yo mubutimbe cause they tremble when we pass through lyrical ngaso salabye unyo nchikola ntya ne wange chechibuzo mundabirwa munetya bitchakole bitone byogede city kitoka chemva basamwa samwa chepe ziba bakumumwa
demigod level snapping from the gauntlet word of my
this guy rubuli wajja baba is fire atandikirawo yeto munyumiza
This that demigod level snapping from the gauntlet. Word of my amigos, my take never been offset. Live even when it's recorded, I got no off switch. I'm the kid in my city, everything else is off pitch. I never need a black male to address an issue. Flag any foul play, need no whistle. I've been official. I'm authorized to rep, I done earned my stripes. Every beat sentenced to death, yeah, be serving life. That could go order type of chef, every on light in the way. But food for thought, too hard to go in the microwave. You might be the way, but my fans always wipe the plate. Been at the juice and the sauce, dropping juice from the sauce. I cut so fast I won't even need to wipe the blade. Whichever way you slice it, sensei, come Mike and Zay. Just took one call from Pryce and the beat had to pay for not grammar spray like I sunbathed in gamma ray.
Only one call for who? From who?
Hey, one call from Pryce and the beat had to pay for not grammar spray like I sunbathed in gamma rays.
Malala ge gakulembere chigo lyokugenda kebula ya chamufula Chicago.
Violation already. Atandikideo. Yeah.
Kuko malala ge gakulembere chigo lyokugenda kebula ya chamufula Chicago. Kuko mawe Uganda nalowoza yevako buli omunga mulinya kalowoza yatusingako. Kadama ye wako kujuza cricket obodo yerabira n'abaniga bajja bamutekako. Agamba love ya hip hop yakulembezanga n'abaniga bamusinga cyabasembeza.
Oh my god, really?
Muja love ya hip hop yakulembezanga n'abaniga bamusinga cyabasembeza. Muja mwekweka wano maliba gendigana ye hip hop yabadikiteta tujja kweriga. Mu basement ya rap muja tuyiga. Natumaze okuteka yo muntindo manyeje tuva.
Sraka chumu ndingorera ba rappers chigamba chindi. Profess but he get the horn mtumbi. Injizanki tumbi. Yamerira gat yo mwezi mpechirendo ngibega nkwisenkumbi. Efkani mpinga bikinga babsharura. Barmamba mastairo bonin kemputa. Hip hop kezo chiromrinye vire yajunda. Mtakajra ngnemanda mara na guruka. Squate hon chosa kabibo tam sose josebo ned oda. High tebo ndebe nombonga. Akoro ho gang quit sep kont. Boswabo takuheza boy simu response. And come visit the sky he said thoughts. Say you feed the culture but you feed them red boys. Let's see how you come up with a response.
Kale ka tata nyatandise nani yali amanyi bana nchali kwoli so agambye akatulinde ngeje agenda okoma ne response nategayi nagirawune ani yali amanyi okay
you the red boys. Let's see how you come up with a response.
Ani Yamanyi, you'd be that R&B singer with a real big show and them really small figures. Go.
God damn. Ani yali amanyi so okay. So mujukira line ya Jenny Ozamba wagamba walola byeko era eliku ani yali amanyi wagambira walola byeko bano ba R&B singer oba bichikulu naku lwa launchinga I think oba eri kwa kakayimba I don't remember but walola line ewe genda bwetozo walola byeko R&B singer obanga obutebe bukalu ku lunaku lwa launchinga sono guy ye reference nyingi atandise nayo ani yali amanyi
Yamanyi,
feed them red boys. Let's see how you come up with a response.
Ani Yamanyi, you'd be that R&B singer with a real big show and them really small figures. Go figure. You asked for more, now I'm here. I put the H in the hip and you hope that I quit, but you know I gotta spit, cause if I don't spit I just might vomit. See there's underground dogs and this industry cats, but these cats fail to get all this industry rats. And these rats now think that they pioneer rap. That's opposite hat, that is just a trap. Now you make a show, then you call your broadcasters, then we realize that you.
So basically agamba yakola show general yakola show naita abantu bakola nabo podcast ze, right? You take this guy Jagamba. Oof, okay.
Just a trap now. You make a show, then you call your broadcasters. Then we realize that you're just a podcaster. Talking about my DMs, and I thought that we friends. He doesn't listen to Sanyu, but he be on KFM. How you talk about dust?
That is a Sanyu, but I will be okay. FM, okay.
And I thought that we friends. He doesn't listen to Sanyu, but he be on KFM.
Okay.
How you talk about dust? Dear hip hop barometer, that dust. Don't get lost in the dust.
I'm a diamond in the rough, dropping gems. Can you dig it? Never visit. My man are all underground sound, trying to make beats fast, learning to produce. No Lamar's class. I passed. I recall the trip short. My soul photo like GoPro. No photos and photo. Don't know how I told my pinky. Never mind my thinking. I'm drinking, so I've lost my boat. It's sinking. All aboard, aboard. Don't listen to Afro. I'd rather lose a night before I pirate. Ruger songs highlight. Hello, no, never said bye till I pass by a lesbo that also likes guys. My, we living in the matrix. It shouldn't make sense. Non-binary, but they, them. Mayhem, Mayday, modern day, Salem. Which nigga wanted? I'm atomic, I'm nuclear. I thought you knew, dear. Group beard, sip a few beers. I'm a spit bars, huck a loogie at the niggas that you fear.
Yeah. I'm parked like I never left.
Yo.
You niggas want smoke, buy a cigarette.
Okay.
Ana yogi damn rappers
Who's this?
I'm always with the gang, gonna mabi roll barao. Pull up on the streets, niggas wanna fight. I carry knives, slash your face, that's an uppercut.
Okay.
Ana underground, beze mini roll.
Yo.
Ana manta rap, umondeze far. Midulana greens, ana mabi hibu beef. Rappers el sukar, sabi mata dugudus. Isim tomunu, ana weleta junub. Okay, midulana beat, making majize kujur. I got my crew, never riding solo. I love fruits, but I hate popo. And I fought with my lovely wife. Thought I was masturbating, I was rolling dice. Wagulu mubanga ndi.
Yeah, I know that guy. That sounding anga Mickey Solo. See yo.
Famunga kalina. Thought I was masturbating, I hate popo. And I fought with my lovely wife. Thought I was masturbating, I was rolling dice. Wagulu mubanga ndifa munga kalina. Mazima wanvu topima na bigele byonna. Tamaso kulutimbe hip hop yakatandika. Kanoka pyaba wa
nungate ya imba munga Pryce Teeba.
Izimu gele byonna. Tamaso mubanga ndifa munga the wife. Thought I was masturbating, I was rolling dice. Wagulu mubanga ndifa munga kalina. Mazima wanvu topima na bigele byonna. Tamaso kulutimbe hip hop yakatandika. Kanoka pyaba wagizimuga mbababula. Emite jala bilidwa jejakula. Isawe tusabe bakanyeso telikulia. Usite yogwe jole woza gwaba kulila. Bada mabega mawulile mwetusoma. Singate wali meya hip hop yandi badewa. Future ya barapa abanojiri ya muvya kulia. Bogela bulimba singa gali mazima. Beyita hip hop bajenti nda jeduva. Jefe abakabi abasinga yo mutau. Sala kechitundo gamba waze Bobby Wine. Hip hop future na manyi mbuno te wala manyi. Bichi muchanyo mya bidi.
Abraham Topoulos comme mon cap now. M'appelle pas, filme-moi ton ligne sur un placard. Je mixe pas ce bitch comme un bâtard. Et quand je rappe, je pense pas, je rappe au hasard. Hein? Yoka bien, cannibale. Hein? Bombo DXO, appelle-moi Togman Stoker. Non taffé, non clashé, non bronché, bagang. Lolo, yenge ma bé, bonon, siso ma bé. Dans le bif, tu placard, na moi, na ma bé. Scarfok, na lobby, na koti, na bimi. Trop gangster, na bakel, stros avec deux pasteurs. 4-5-6 bouteilles, na use. Non capté la bagang sur la bus de Placos. Non,
Bacos.
Ame Miki, na katso ganda, den comme na telma koma. Na kosieta, pona moula, resté gravé comme le tumba. Sogindou les habits, tumba, toko bunda, tito longa. Est-ce qu'il y a toujours béton solide, mais kobuka soko koka?
Hey yo. So, basically, right?
I am hip hop.
So, this is what hip hop, Charlie, ochitegera. Tunachibaita hip hop. So, rapper ina obo oli yongo ulida waliwo ekitagenda bulungi. Of course, obo inotula ku beat, and then no tugamba. No yogera kyonna ekikuli ku bwongo okitegeera. So, I like the Cypher. So, buli rapper bade kweno Cypher, like bona they delivered okitegeera. So yeah, so nga we nabagambye nga video netandika nabagambidde nti hey, tuli mu civil war right now. Elanga Captain Pryce Teeba, Captain Uganda Pryce Teeba yakunganyiza of course crew ye. So katulinde ne ya Jenny wanaba ajikunganyiza of course, and ozana ya is responding abayinza obuta responding, but I like this. This is what really hip hop is all about. You dig? So yeah, this is Pryce Teeba and the Doesn't Dip Cypher. Elanga kubadeko Lucas Brack, Son of a Border, Spider MC Ryonga, Bemba Simba Nabalala, Oshtegera. So this is the Cypher, and yeah, tell me what you think about this. You know, so, and by the way, olikusaidia Captain Uganda oba oliku Kacholi yani Iron Man, I guess. So oba olikusaidia Iron Man. And who? Iron Man, yeah. Iron Rap maybe. Yeah, let's go with that. Iron Rap. Aye. So olikusaidia Captain Uganda over Iron Rap. Tell me what you think down in the comment section. So yeah, there you have it. You know what? My name is Kenny Chosh, keeping it real, keeping it hip hop. Say yes to the good hugs, and not to the drugs. Peace. Adios. Man, take it easy. I gotta bounce out of here. Aye. Bye.